Hi everyone, Kelly Poulos here, and I am in a course in U of T with Dr. Stein, and we're presenting a group project. Within our group is group leader John, myself, Wanda Michelle, and Sonia. And the title of our lesson is Identifying Solids, which is a science lesson. The objective is to identify different matters of solids and other forms of material. And our focused learner is a 6-year-old boy named Kevin. He is a special needs child, and under the 13 categories of special needs, he is defined with autism spectrum disorder. His IEP states that he does better with hands-on material. He has verbal communication limitations and works better in a small group, no more than 2 other children present. And he right now is in first grade and he's in a collaborative teaching environment class. Um, let me see. So the lesson will help children identify different forms of matter according to their observations and feelings of the material. They're gonna learn different vocabulary words and they're gonna turn and talk and discuss what they've learned. They will be assessed by taking quizzes, exit tickets. Teachers will be able to use rubrics. Um, and also, there will be a content knowledge assessment checklist available. So, this is our group project, and I hope you enjoyed it.